Hello students, this is Babita Miss. I hope all of y'all are safe and healthy. Instead of our regular studies and syllabus, I thought of doing something different. From the time you enter school, your teachers and parents are behind you to learn new words, their spellings, and in fact expect you to use them while speaking also. So today let me explain how y'all can learn English vocabulary words. Is it difficult for you to memorize English vocabulary words? Don't worry. Let's try an easy method to learn more words faster. Of course, initially you will require a notebook and a dictionary with y'all. Now, let us see one of the ways of learning new words. Generally, you pick any word, look up the meaning of that word from the dictionary, try to memorize the spelling, and finally you would like to use them in your paragraph writing, your essays, or your daily conversation. Let's try a different way of learning new words. Never learn one single word. Instead, learn words in groups. Now, let us look at a different method to group words. The first method of grouping words is to learn same meaning words. The second way of grouping is to learn words having same letter. And the third way is to learn the words which have got same sound. Let's see an example of the same. Suppose the word we have taken is round. The meaning or definition of the word is shaped like or approximately like a cycle or cylinder. The other words which could mean the same are, the first is circular, circular. The second word is spherical, spherical. Third is globular, globular. So instead of one word, we have got four similar kind of words: round, circular, spherical, globular. The second way of grouping words is same letter words. Let us see three words which start from the letter R. Rough, roll, random. Rough, roll, random. These three words are different from the word round, but they will always trigger when you hear the word round. The third way of grouping words is same sound words. The words that sound like round are around, found, bound. Around, found, bound. Again, these words have got different meanings, but because of the sound, they will always trigger when we use the word round. Thus, you must have realized that when we learnt the word round, with that we learnt 9 more words. 3 which were of same meaning: circular, spherical, globular. The same letter words: rough, roll, random. And the same sound words: around, found, bound. So we have learnt 10 words at one time: round, circular, spherical, globular, rough, roll, random, around, found, bound. Let's see some more ways in which you can use the word round. Here I have taken some phrases where the word round is used, like round table, which is academic discussions. Round table conference are common features of a political agenda. The second phrase is go round in circles, which means purposeless repetition. We talked for hours but were going round in circles. The third phrase is round of applause, clapping among audience. Please give all the performers a big round of applause. Besides these phrases, the word round is used in several other phrases. The more you read, the more you will understand, and the more you will be able to use it. If you will notice, I have tried to use those 10 words that we have learned throughout this video. Let's try to use these same sound words now. Round, around, found and bound, and make a paragraph. Vasco da Gama went round half the world in search of sea route to India. Finally, after travelling around the Cape of Good Hope, he found the port of Calicut and bounded up in joy. The reason I have made this paragraph is for you to understand that we can utilize all these words somewhere or the other in writing a paragraph. Let's see some more usage of the words learnt. The synonym words that we have learned today: circular, globular and spherical. Let's try to see how we can remember them. One of the ways is to use them as adjectives to remember them. Like circular cylinder. We use circular cylinder in our house. Globular globe. The globular globe helps us to locate places. And the spherical sun. The spherical sun is the only shape that I can think of for this heavenly body. Let's see the usage of the same letter words. The meaning of the word rough is uneven or rugged, roll, spin or rotate, and the word meaning of random is unarranged or unplanned. We can always say rough roads, like uneven roads or rugged roads. Roll the ball or spin or rotate the ball. Random thoughts. That means our thoughts are unarranged or unplanned. Let's quickly do a recap of whatever we have learnt today. We learnt a new word round, and with that we learnt its synonyms, the other words which start with the letter R, and the words which are the sound like round. The three synonyms are circular, spherical, globular. The three words which start with the letter R are rough, roll, random. And the three words that we learned which have got the sound like round are around, found, bound. Now, using the same method that I have taught you all can find out the synonyms, same letter words and same sound words for the following, and try to learn how you can use them. The words that you can try to practice are bliss, chores, decent, educate, fresh. Bliss, chores, decent, educate, fresh. Thank you very much, students. I hope that you all have liked this method of learning vocabulary words. I'll come up with some more videos which could be equally helpful in learning difficult and different words. Thank you.